my daughter because she always on YouTube find out how to do these dances and shit. I ran into her, I said, hey babe, I said, Ryan, teach me how to do the bird flu. She said, all right, daddy, put your foot out. So I put my foot out. She said, Dad, it's the bird flu, not the fucking hokey pokey. Put your foot out. I put my foot out. She said, all right, now daddy, then lean with it. Now lean with it, right? She was like, all right. I said, how long I lean? You know my knees is fucked up and shit. I ain't leaning all day. She said, all right, daddy, now go in the bottom of the cabinet and shit and get motherfucking pots and pans and shit. I said, what the fuck we cooking? She was like, we cooking grits, daddy. I said, grits, yeah? She said, all right. She said, now grab a spoon. I said, all right. She said, now when you whipping up that spoon, that shit is connected to your leg. So it's gonna be whipping like this all motherfucking day. I said, all right. She said, and every now and then, daddy, you gotta get mad and just say, fuck it. I said, fuck it. She said, fuck it. I said, all right. She said, you got it? You ready? I said, yeah, I'm ready, good. Nigga, give it to me, nigga.
I think I got the bird.
She said, Daddy, I need you to sneeze like you got hay fever. I said, chew. She said, no, sneeze, man. I said, chew. I said, all right, I got it. She said, Daddy, put your foot out. Clean, cook it up. She said, Daddy, put your foot out. She said, Daddy, say fuck it. What's up, you lying motherfuckers, nigga? I'm sick of y'all doing that 2015, 2016, nigga. Stop lying. Don't y'all hate a lying ass nigga?
Yeah.
For 2 weeks, my nigga trying to convince me he got 2 jobs because he work at a Taco Bell / Long John Silver. I said, nigga, that's the same job. He mad, she old bitch ass, hating ass nigga. I said, well, quit Taco Bell, see if you got Long John Silver in the morning, nigga. Oh, hating ass nigga, man. Summertime come out, it ain't take nothing but a stroke of heat for you dirt bike riding ass niggas to bring them dirt bikes out. I'm so sick of these bitches. You got a teenage son, man. Tell these niggas stop riding on the back of them nigga dirt bike. That shit gay as shit. 2 niggas ain't supposed to be that close together. You on the back of this nigga bike, you know what I'm saying? Y'all doing wheelies up down Emerson Avenue, you hugging him all tight, got your dick all in his back. Shit is gay. My brother, he tried out for the 12 o'clock boys a couple summers ago. He jumped on the back of another nigga dirt bike. They doing wheelies up down my street. I'm on the porch watching these 2 gay ass motherfuckers. He on the back recording shit, getting to me, what I look like, big bro? What I look like? I said, nigga, y'all look like Prince and Abalone in the Purple Rain. Get off that nigga dirt bike. What is wrong with these niggas? The niggas, man, it's time to step, nigga, when you men. It's time to get control of our motherfucking household. I'm tired of these bitches calling us sensitive ass niggas, bitch ass niggas. Fuck that, man. Stop being scared of these motherfucking girls, man. Say that shit. You know what the fuck your girl looking at scared? She ain't gonna give you no pussy no more. She look crazy as shit when she walking out the house. Hi, little baby. Hi, little baby. I'm like, what the fuck is your eyelashes that long? Why ain't making you have your eyelashes 2 feet long out this motherfucker? Me and J Class, we did a fucking show one day in this fucking Moses shit. I'm trying to get me a drink. I'm at the bar. I feel something touch me on my shoulder. I turn around. It's the bitch eyelashes. It's the bitch, back the fuck up. She get mad. What you want, fat boy? I said, I want you to blink your eyes 3 times and sweep this whole floor in them big motherfuckers. Women crazy as shit. It take a strange motherfucker to shave your eyebrows off and draw them shits back on. What the fuck is wrong with y'all? Who does that shit? And if you draw your eyebrows on, at least have a steady hand out this motherfucker. I said, bitch, who drew your eyebrows on? Muhammad Ali? I was ready to double dutch. I said, bitch, go ahead. This nigga January. Fuck them. Don't be scared of them motherfucking niggas. Fuck y'all too. Stop wearing this skinny jeans shit this summer now. Stop that shit. Y'all got skinny jeans, skinny shorts, skinny fucking sweatpants. This shit is dumb. Especially a fat nigga wearing skinny jeans. This is the dumbest shit I ever seen. Nigga be all top at the bottom, skinny down bottom. You come out the house shaped like a rat tail comb. I can't stand it. Oh, you bitch ass niggas. Stop wearing sunshades in the club too. This is the stupidest shit I have ever seen in my whole entire life. You can't even see who the fuck you looking for in the goddamn club. at the fucking 2 o'clock club, strip club. It's one stripper in this bitch the whole day. He do this shit too. So, you know, I'm going through a fucking divorce and shit. He tried to get me to holler at the girl. I said, fuck it, I'll go over there. I introduced myself. I said, hey, my name's Henry. She spoke, say, hey. I said, has you seen anybody? Then this bitch gonna throw her drink on. Then she picked up some stick and then walked up out the club. I said, oh shit, this bitch is blind. I just asked the blind bitch if she seen anybody. It's fuck. Fuck this fuck out of here. 35 years old, make some noise for yourself, man. You 35 years old, make some noise. But remember, you know, back in the day, songs sound like back in the day? We had songs back in the day. Damn, Rico, what's up, baby? We had songs back in the day that made you want to fall in love or made you want to bungee jump without the motherfucking rope. You know what I'm saying? We ain't had all that Trey songs making love faces. You don't want to see my love faces. It's ugly as shit. I look like skeleton when I'm about to die. It's ugly. Nigga, we had messages on. Hey, like, who fucking Jake? You got a sound? Nigga, give me a song, nigga. Nigga, you know when that shit came out right there? I had that shit on the 45 with the little yellow disc in the middle and shit. Y'all remember that shit right there? Nigga, what you know about jumping on the number 3? You take the girl down to the Hall of Park. Y'all dressed in the same views and damage outfits. You take her to Play Street, y'all take a picture with that big ass wicked child that motherfucker nigga. Nigga, this is back in the day, little nigga. Cut that money, cut the play, where the fuck out of here. I'm talking about that old school kind of crazy as shit. How many of y'all remember you trying to call your dude, trying to call your girl, but he lived with his mother, she only had that one way, so the phone line was always busy? So you had to dial the operator, get the operator, break through the motherfucker line, nigga? You knew you was dealing with some of that crazy shit. Jay, give me another song, nigga. You got it? Fuck it, don't worry about it. Listen, we're gonna get out here. This song looks like a swing club in this bitch. Y'all know what a swing club is? That's when Cleon locked all the doors in this bitch and shit. We all saw fucking. No, I'm going through a divorce and shit. I'm breaking up out here. I'm going through a divorce and shit, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I tried to do something for New Year's and shit. And, you know, I went to a spot called Taboo. Y'all know what Taboo is? These nasty motherfuckers. Y'all know what the fuck that shit is. On Fridays, they got some shit called the blackout. The blackout is when they shut off all the lights and you walk through, hope you find yourself some ass. 12 o'clock came, they said, Happy New Year's, they shut off all the lights. I'm walking through, I'm trying to find some ass. I ran into some big bitch. I made sure she had titties, went between her legs, and girl, I bent her straight on. I went in a raw too. Whatever she got, I got. No, it don't matter because they got like the cure for every disease like at Walmart. No, like if you got herpes, you can mix like NyQuil and Pepto-Bismol with like 2 Tic Tacs. No, someone hit the girl like, She moans like, I was like, nigga, I know this bitch. I can't see though, you know what I'm saying? I keep hitting it though. She moaned again. I was like, nigga, I know this bitch. Felt like I've been in this motherfucker before. Like I kept hitting again like, nigga, I put on one leg, I gave her one leg Jimmy. She was like, shit. Somebody cut the lights on. I was like, Mom? My name is Henry Jones, man. You know what I'm saying?